Creative landscaping ideas for your sloped front yard. Transforming a sloped front yard into a breathtaking landscape be both a challenge and an opportunity for creativity. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, improve erosion control, or simply create a beautiful outdoor space, there are plenty of landscaping ideas to consider. Here, we delve into innovative approaches to hillside gardening, terraced garden design, and more, ensuring your sloped yard becomes a stunning feature of your home. Embrace terraced garden design. One of the most effective ways to manage a sloped front yard is through terraced garden design. This technique not only adds visual interest, but also helps to control erosion by creating flat areas that stabilize the soil. By constructing retaining walls, you can create distinct levels in your garden, allowing for a variety of plantings and unique garden features. Each terrace can host different plants, from vibrant flowers to lush shrubs, creating a dynamic and colorful landscape. Incorporate erosion control solutions. Erosion can be a significant concern in sloped yards, but incorporating specific landscaping ideas can mitigate this issue. Native plants with deep root systems are excellent choices for preventing soil erosion. Additionally, ground covers can enhance the beauty of your space while providing stability. Consider integrating gravel or mulch pathways between plantings, as they not only aid in erosion control but also add texture and interest to your landscape. Low-maintenance sloped yards. For those who prefer to spend less time on upkeep, low-maintenance sloped yards are the way to go. Choose drought-resistant plants that thrive in your climate to reduce watering needs. Succulents, ornamental grasses, and native wildflowers can all flourish in a sloped landscape, offering beauty with minimal effort. Grouping plants with similar care requirements will streamline maintenance, allowing you to enjoy your garden without the hassle. Create unique garden features. Incorporating unique garden features can elevate your sloped yard from ordinary to extraordinary. Think outside the box with decorative boulders, artistic sculptures, or a charming pathway that winds through your garden. Water features like a small fountain or a pond can also add a serene ambience while helping with drainage and erosion control. Lighting is another important aspect. Installing solar lights along pathways or highlighting focal points can create a magical atmosphere in the evenings. A sloped front yard is a canvas awaiting your creativity and vision. By implementing these landscaping ideas, such as terraced garden design, erosion control techniques, and low-maintenance plant selections, you can create a stunning and functional outdoor space. Embrace the beauty of hillside gardening and let your sloped yard become a unique reflection of your style and ingenuity. With thoughtful planning and innovative design, your landscape can flourish while standing as a testament to smart and professional landscaping.